Hello, fifth graders. This is your blend space for your data practices that we're going to be working on this 6 weeks. I begin the blend space with an overview of our project, and then the next is our video, which I'm doing right now that's not there yet. We then have some online safety, just as a reminder in case we need to check out those safety rules. Then our real work begins with letting you have an opportunity to listen to other students and why they use data practices to help improve their learning. And then also information from teachers, why taking a look at data and reflecting on it is important. So we have a real world connection here. Then we go into Evernote, and you'll log into your Evernote account to do this. We have a pre-learning reflection, and this is going to become the norm. As we go through our units this 6 weeks, we will have pre-learning reflections before we actually learn. How do you feel about it? I'll ask you some guiding questions. Then we will, I've also included some tips in case you make a mistake in Evernote. Just a little tip page is in the seventh box of Blend Space. Then we go into All in Learning, and we're going to actually look at your progress tracker for just for you. You'll be able to pull your report. I'll send it out to you, and you'll be able to take a look at those TEKs to see how you did from the previous unit and then actually the unit that you're on right now. So we'll pull those, and you'll have access to those on a regular basis. Then, using your data, I'm going to have you do another reflection, and that's the last square. And as we do our final reflection, it's on what has occurred already. We've already had DOLs, we've had checks for understanding. You've practiced mastery, and now we're going to reflect on how it went, what was successful, what still needs additional practice. This rhythm, this cycle will continue where we set goals, we think about our learning beforehand, we do the learning, we analyze our data, and then we reflect on our data. This will be our protocol for the next 6 weeks to see how we can upgrade our data practices as fifth graders and internalize our own data to move ourselves along your fifth grade goals. Thanks, guys.